If you've never seen a rocket launch in person, you really should. It's one of those things that you can see it a million times on video, but when you're feeling that rumble in your chest, and you see it's like way over there, and you see the power that's happening, it's pretty awesome, really neat. So definitely if you get the chance to do it. And that's what we're going to talk about this week, rocketry. Some of the most powerful man-made disasters ever, and some of the most amazing technology that of course started out as weaponry. Rockets are also missiles, and we're going to look at the evolution of guns and cannons into rockets. And we'll look a little bit at Kepler's laws of planetary motion this week. We're going to look at solid rockets versus liquid rockets and the different types of orbits that there are. We'll look at Konstantin Tsiolkovsky and Yuri Kondrachuk and Robert Goddard and Hermann Oberth, and some of the development of modern rocketry. And we'll look at a little bit of the current drivers and maybe some of the limitations to commercial launches. So should be an interesting week. Your discussion board assignment this week is outlined at Canvas, but basically it's to look at a bunch of, pick a rocket explosion, a rocket disaster, and look at the causes of that failure and what impact it had on the program and what was the cost of the loss, and whether the program was able to continue and what happened afterwards. And so a lot will depend on which one you pick, and that's kind of the point of the assignment. So it should be pretty interesting. I head over to the discussion board and do that. And don't forget the week 3 quiz at the end of the week. If there's any questions, definitely contact me through Canvas. Yeah, we'll see you out there. Oh, and I put a Tom Lehrer song about our good friend Wernher von Braun, who we're going to talk about more next week. But he and Sergei Korolev are our 2 rocket stars, and they both make cameos in this week's lecture before we focus on them next week a little bit more. Okay.